So viral hepatitis is of two types. One is hepatitis A and hepatitis E. These are both infections that are acquired through food and water.
Right.
They are the viruses that cause the common jaundice that we say, oh, he developed jaundice and he got okay in 3 or 4 weeks. So
Right.
the common jaundice, the common liver infection is hepatitis E and hepatitis A. There is really no treatment for them. To prevent hepatitis A and E, you need to take clean water and clean food.
Okay.
And normally 98 to 99% cases will get okay in about 2 to 4 weeks
Right.
of just some liver tonics and rest.
Right.
1 to 2% of them patients will go into liver failure and they will need a urgent liver transplant. That's as far as the hepatitis E and A are concerned.
Right.
There is another type of viral hepatitis which is acquired through blood, infected needles, or any body secretions. Usually through injections, infected needles, surgical instruments in the dentist's room. This doesn't happen anymore, but it used to be acquired in that fashion. Or through sexual contact,
Right.
or through blood banks, dialysis machines, and
Right.
that is hepatitis B and C.
Right.
Now, I've already told you how you get B and C,
Yeah.
pretty much in the same fashion as HIV. So, what you have to do to prevent Hep B and C is to prevent all these modes of transmission.
Right. Right.
And the good thing is that hepatitis B has a vaccine. So, every single person on this earth, child, adult, must have hepatitis B vaccination.
Right.
There is as yet no vaccine for hepatitis C, but the good news is if hepatitis C is picked up in a person in early stages, as of 2014-15, there is a simple treatment available for it, and in 3 to 6 months, we can cure 97-98% of hepatitis C.
Right.
So C and B through blood and A and E through food and water.